Welcome to Soapncrafts. This video is all about DIY lotion, cream, butter, and balm. I will talk about the differences between them and what sets them apart. The ingredients for skincare DIY are simple and easy to find. Many of them might already be in your kitchen, or you can pick them up from a local convenience store or drugstore, and of course, they're widely available online as well. When it comes to making lotions and creams, you only need 3 main categories of ingredients: oils and butters, water, and wax. Coconut oil is commonly used in skincare DIY. It is rich in lauric acid. It helps to protect the skin and helps to lock in moisture. It's a light-weighted and non-greasy oil, can be absorbed by the skin quickly. Another common oil is olive oil. It is rich in oleic acid, which deeply nourishes and softens the skin. It contains antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which help to fight free radicals and protect the skin from premature aging. Cocoa butter has a very pleasant chocolate scent. It helps to thickening the lotion, provides long-lasting hydration, and forms a protective barrier on the skin. Shea butter has healing and protective function. It contains vitamins A, E, and F, plus minor compounds with anti-inflammatory benefits. It is traditionally used to soothe eczema, dryness, and irritation. Emulsify wax is a blend of fatty alcohol that's derived from plants' oils. Its primary role is to bind oil and water into a stable emulsion. Prevents your lotion or cream from separating over time. Beeswax is normally used to combine with oil to make it thick and turn into solid form. In lotions and creams, water is the main ingredient, usually making up to 60 to 80% of the formula depending on the texture. Water doesn't always have to be plain distilled water. There is also mineral water, spring water you can use. You could also use hydrosol, aloe vera juice, herbal infused tea, rice water, cucumber water, and milk, etc. In addition, there is additives you could add to your skincare DIY, such as humectants, actives, preservatives, fragrance oils, and essential oils. Both lotion and cream are made with water content, oil or butter, and emulsify wax. Lotion contains high water content and light in texture, while cream contains high oil content and thicker in texture. The basic moisturizing lotion is very thin in texture. It is for hydrating purpose, perfect for daily use to refresh dry skin. In first measuring cup, measure the ingredients of your oil phase: olive oil, shea butter, and emulsify wax. In second measuring cup, measure the water phase. Distilled water, warm up both phases to 70 degrees Celsius. Warm it up in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds depending on your microwave. You can also use any other warming method you prefer. Once both phases are over 70 degrees Celsius, you could mix them together. Use a small whisk to blend until the mixture cools down. Pour into the lotion bottle once it has cooled to room temperature. Add the aloe vera gel and essential oils. Then cover the bottle and shake well. The emulsifying process can take some time for the lotion to become thicker and smoother. On the left is the freshly made lotion, and on the right is the lotion from yesterday. The lotion on the right feels smoother and creamier, while the freshly made lotion has a lighter, less uniform texture. The Floral Hydrosol Soothing Lotion is infused with rose water and aloe vera. It is gentle and soothing with a floral scent. In first measuring cup, measure the ingredients of your oil phase: cocoa butter, olive oil, emulsify wax. In second measuring cup, measure the water phase: rose hydrosol. Warm up both phases to over 70 degrees Celsius. Use the pouring method to combine the phases. Add the additives once the mixture has cooled down. Add the aloe vera gel and vitamin E. Pour into the lotion bottle once it has cooled to room temperature. The emulsifying process can take some time for the lotion to become thicker and smoother. You can see a big difference between the freshly made lotion and the one made a day ago. The second recipe gets thicker by time because it contains a higher amount of solid butter. The deep nourishing cream has a rich, creamy texture. It's packed with oil and butters that deeply nourish and moisturize the skin. In the glass jar, measure the ingredients of your oil phase: shea butter, cocoa butter, olive oil, emulsify wax. In another measuring cup, measure the water phase: distilled water. Warm up both phases to over 70 degrees Celsius. Pour water phase into the oil phase. Use a small whisk to blend until the mixture cools down. The emulsifying process can take some time for the lotion to become thicker and smoother. This is how the deep, nourishing cream turned out after one day. Texture is really rich and smooth. You could use this cream as a winter protection cream or a massage cream. Repairing hand cream is designed for dry hands. It softens and nourishes for dry and cracked skin. In the first mixing cup, measure the ingredients of your oil phase: coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, emulsify wax, and beeswax. In second measuring cup, measure the water phase, the aloe vera gel. You could also use aloe vera juice instead. Warm up both phases to over 70 degrees Celsius. Pour water phase into the oil phase. Use a small whisk to blend until the mixture cools down. Carefully pour the mixture into the tube container while it is still thin. The emulsifying process can take some time for the lotion to become thicker and smoother. Texture of the repair hand cream is rich and creamy. The aloe vera gel and beeswax helps to heal the dry and crack area of your skin. It is an excellent choice for winter protection. Butter balms, salves, and balms contain no water. A butter balm is made with only oils and butters, while balms and salves include oils, butters, and wax. The basic butter balm contains pure butter and oil blend with no water. It is thick in texture, provides long-lasting hydration. In a glass jar, measure all the ingredients: shea butter, cocoa butter, olive oil. Warm it up in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. Place the mixture in an ice bowl to help it cool down. Use a small whisk to blend until the butters are fully mixed. Add vitamin E and mix well. You could place it in the freezer to help it solidify faster. This is how it turns out. Let's try it on the skin. Butter balm melts into oil once applied to the skin. You can use it on extra dry areas or as a massage butter. If you're looking for a soft butter balm that's easily absorbed by the skin, try the coconut butter balm. It has a pleasant tropical scent and is perfect for body care. In a glass jar, measure all the ingredients: coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter. After melted, place the container in the ice bowl to help it solidify faster. Use whisk to blend until the butters are fully blended. It will solidify faster if placed in the freezer. Keep it in cool place for storage. Same like basic butter balm. The coconut body butter balm melts into oil once applied on skin. It can be used as a body massage balm as well. The protective hand salve is blending oil, butter, and beeswax together. Beeswax forms a protective barrier, ideal for dry winter hands. In a glass jar, measure all the ingredients: olive oil, shea butter, beeswax, cocoa butter. Warm it up in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. Place the container in the ice bowl to help it solidify faster. Once it's solidified, you could try it on the skin. This protective hand salve feels thick, different from butter balm. It does not feeling oily. This texture feels perfect for wintertime. The Cracked Skin Healing Balm is a heavy-duty balm. It is crafted to heal cracked and rough skin. In a glass jar, measure all the ingredients: coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax. Warm it up in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. Continue to mix until mixture is fully melted. While it cooled down, add in vitamin E. Once it's solidified, you could try it on the skin. It's ideal for treating cracked skin, such as cracked heels. The Solid Perfume Balm is easy to carry. It is a solid perfume that releases a natural scent anytime. In a glass jar, measure all the ingredients: olive oil, beeswax, Cocoa butter. Warm it up in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. While it cooled down, add in essential oil. Once it's solidified, you could try it on the skin. Dab onto areas where your body naturally emits warmth, such as your wrists, neck, behind the ears, or inner elbows. The Nourishing Lip Balm contains natural oils, keeps lips soft and smooth. It protects lips from dryness. Coconut oil. Beeswax. Cocoa butter. Microwave 30 to 60 seconds. You don't have to wait for it to melt completely. Just stir until the residual heat melts the rest. At last, add in vitamin E. Pour the mixture into the lip balm tube and let it solidify. The Tinted Lip Balm contains higher percentage of soft oil and butter. This provides the lip balm extra nourishing. The optional mica gives a nice tint for a fun visual effect. Olive oil. Shea butter. Cocoa butter. Beeswax. Microwave 30 to 60 seconds. You don't have to wait for it to melt completely. Just stir until the residual heat melts the rest. Add in food-grade mica. This step is optional if you want to tint your lip balm. Pour the mixture into the lip balm tube and let it solidify. Body massage balm has a smooth texture, perfect for a relaxing massage. Coconut oil. Shea butter. Beeswax. Olive oil. Microwave 30 to 60 seconds. Pour the mixture into the tube and let it solidify. Baby Soothing Balm is gentle and fragrance-free. It is safe to use on delicate baby skin. Olive oil. Shea butter. Beeswax. Cocoa butter. Microwave 30 to 60 seconds. Pour the mixture into the tube and let it solidify. Night Repair Cream is a rich formula that helps restore your skin from the effects of harsh weather. Apply a generous layer to your face, avoiding the eye area, and wake up to soft, rejuvenated skin. In one measuring cup, weight the Hydrosol. An aloe vera juice or gel. In another measuring cup, weight shea butter. Cocoa butter. Olive oil. And Emulsify wax. Microwave the oil phase 30 to 60 seconds. Also microwave the water phase 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure both phases are over 70 degrees Celsius. Using pouring method to mix them together. Once fully emulsified, pour it to the container. The cream gets thicker after cool down. The texture is very creamy and rich. The Heel Repair Salve is a firm balm designed to deeply repair cracked heels. Coconut oil. Beeswax. Cocoa butter. Microwave 30 to 60 seconds. Once cool down a little, add essential oil of your preference. Pour the mixture into the tube and allow it to set completely. So far, we had covered 15 DIY skincare recipes perfect for the fall and winter seasons. Have you learned them all? Please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.